Hey, welcome back to the smooth sound of Angry Johnny here at Dolph Trades. Coming at you live like that creepy uncle at the family reunion. Why don't you come on over here and sit on Angry's lap for a little while? Alright, that's creepy. Anyway, what I want to show you today, everybody was freaking out. Everybody's like, oh, Liberation Day, everything's gonna rockets, crypto's going to the moon, stocks are going higher, everything's gonna be beautiful and sunshines, rainbows, whee! But I want to explain something to you, how everything is already predetermined. The news is set up to set you up. All these speeches and all this bullshit, right? The markets are determined where they're gonna go, alright? So what you do is you get you a forexfactory.com calendar. It's free. Just go on forexfactory.com. And what you want to do is you want to look throughout the week for the USD, and you want to look at the red folder news. These are high impact news events that they use to manipulate the markets. Okay. So if you look here today on the 2nd, 4 o'clock USD. This is when Trump speaks. Okay. 4 o'clock Trump speaks. We go to this. I'm going to bring you to the daily chart, and I want to show you how this was predetermined. I've been talking about this imbalance for a little while and some other imbalances. This is the imbalance, all the down close candles. See how here there's an up close, there's an up candle, then there's a down candle, up candle, down candle. Then you have this candle, it's just all down candles. See that? That's the imbalance I talk about. And then in this imbalance, you see this wick here, and you see this wick here. This is called a gap. So this is an inefficiency or an imbalance. The market will come back to these levels to rebalance them. And I want to show you how this was already determined. They already had this set up. If I'm going to take this and just mark it out for us. If we go to this wick's low and this wick's high. Now this is going to be that imbalance right here. Okay? See the imbalance, the gap. So, if you see how this happened right here, we wicked up super high, rebalanced this, and then we slammed lower. So if we drop to a 1 minute chart, and I'm going to bring you over right here, right? This is that time when Trump was speaking today on the 2nd, right? 4 o'clock. So what they do is, he speaks, and everybody thinks that it's going up because that's what they tell you it's going to do. Everything's going to be good. So what happens? They pump it up at 4 o'clock when he's speaking. Everybody gets in. Bye, it's going to the moon. Everything's fucking going up. Bye, get in. You're going to miss it. And then what happens? They slam it down. This little move, look at this little up move. They got everybody trapped into thinking it's going long. And then look at this huge drop down. And I had these levels marked out. This is where the liquidity was. Sell side, SS. Sell side, SS. That's what they were going for. This was already predetermined, right? And if you take a look at, let's go ahead and take a look at the Bitcoin, right? Same exact thing, right? 6 o'clock, look at this. They spiked it up. All the crypto people are thinking, oh, it's going to the moon, it's going up, you better get in, you're going to miss it. And then what did it do? Slammed lower. Look how much more of a drop this did than the up move. Now, if you're nimble and you could catch this, yeah, sure, you could probably get in and get out real quick and do it, but that's not a risk with my money that I'm willing to take. But this is just to show you that a lot of the news that they put out is BS because the market is already predetermined to go to this area. Okay? If we go right here on this one, it's the same thing. We had an imbalance here. All this spike up was to rebalance this area right here before going lower. And in my personal opinion, I could see this sucker going lower down into here. But that's just my opinion. And you don't want to take the advice of your creepy uncle at the reunion, do you? Alright, later guys. Wacka wacka. Squawk.